wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from group 7 and our group name is TAUS, it stands for Stationary House. And today we're gonna present our group project for the TIPD class. And it's our implementation on Microsoft Access in our company. And before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Rehan Desda.
My name is Safira.
My name is Miftahul Najwa Farazila.
My name is Tika Yolanda.
And let's begin our presentation. The first one is we're gonna explain our company structure. In this company, I was the owner, Najwa is the manager, Safira is the treasurer, and Tika is the secretary. Next one. And in this presentation, we are gonna explain about our company and business's background, operational activity, and then content of business database. The first one is our company's background. Our company, Stationary House, or abbreviated as TAUS, is a company that sells office stationery equipment and supplies at affordable price and quality. Established on 20 February 2020 on Jalan Kasablanka Raya, Kafling 88, Menteng Dalam, South Jakarta. The meaning of TAUS is that we hope our company can be a home for customer purchasing office stationery equipment and supplies. The second one, our company source product from several major suppliers, namely PT Pilot Pen Indonesia, PT Joyco Indonesia, PT Indo Network Adi Perkasa, and etc. And then there are several reserve suppliers, namely PT Indah Kiat Pulp and Paper, PT Stedtler Indonesia, PT Matahari Alika, and etc. And in our company, our target consumers are students, office workers, small shops, school companies, and government agencies. In our company, we have a vision and mission. Our vision is to become the most significant and leading stationery company in Jakarta. And our mission is providing quality product at affordable price and value for customer satisfaction. The second one is playing a role in improving the quality of life consumers through digital financial service, such as payments using Shopee Pay, Kris, and Dana. And the last one is maintain good relation with all business partners. And then our company have some operational activity. Our company, Staus, has been operating for 2 years. For 2 years, we have been awarded the top 5 fastest growing companies in Jakarta as a company that has managed to proliferate in Jakarta. In the first years of sales, our target customers only focus on student and general public. However, at the end of the first year, the company began receiving requests from companies, small shops, schools, and government agencies due to the intensive promotion on social media such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And then our company continued to be committed to providing quality services, competitive price, top service, and shopping convenience for the academic community, students, and the public. And we are gonna outline that our company, the Stationery House, has experienced significant development from time to time due to the promising development, an increase in the number of products sold, increase in the variety of product and consumer. Therefore, we need many data and good data storage. In this company, we have some content of business database. There's some main table, connection table, and others. In the main table, we include the customer, product, staff, and supplier. In the connection table, we have sale, and the others are queries, forms, reports, and relationship. And the next slide will be presented by Najwa. The Najwa, time is yours.
Okay, for the main table, we have the customer. So the table of customers, we need information about the customer code, customer name, birth of date, and when the customer sends the first buying of the product, and also the birth of date and membership and membership of expired date. So if you have a membership and you can get the discount, it depends on discount. If you a platinum membership, you get like 10% discount, and if you a golden membership, you will get the 5% discount. And also we have gender and type of customer, and email, address, phone number, and the data used to record our customer information. And the next main table is product. So for product table, we need information about the product code and product name, and then the supplier code and the buying price and selling price and the unit and amount of stock. And this table serves to determine the types of product that will be sold to customer, and so that we know the amount of stock available of the table of supplier. So in this case, we use the lookup wizard to connect the data supplier code in cell table. It will make easier for us. So the next main table is staff. So for staff table, we need information about the staff ID, staff name, birth of date, gender, and marital status. Marital status is if we staff is single or married, and then and also address, email, position, and also education background. And the data of table of staff is used to about the staff, so like educational background. So we need to know where our staff study before and material status. We need to know their status in case we want to give our staff reward or bonus. So for the next table is supplier. So for the table of supplier, we need information about the supplier code, supplier name, and where the address of supplier, and then the phone number, and also the email and description of the supplier. And this one is this connection table. We have sale table. It consists of manufacturer, date, customer code, staff ID, staff name, product code, and product name, and selling price, quantity, and total sale. And this table is used to record all of the sales transaction. So in sale table, we also add a lookup wizard in staff ID and also staff name to make us easier to fill in the data. And next is relationship. It will be present by Safira Hafiz. Safira Hafiz, time is yours.
Okay, this is our relationship. This relation show the connection between one table and with another table, like from code field from customer table connect with customer code field in the cell table. We have staff table with two staff table because we used the lookup wizard before, and the product code from the product table will connect a product code field in the cell table because the cell table is the connection table. Okay, the next material.
So the next material is going to be presented by me. So for our company forms, we have the customer form. So form is used to collect the required information and also serve to avoid data errors that being typed in the main table. In this case, we have the customer form. We have the number, customer code, and membership, gender, and then the email address, and so on. And also this, we have a button, the add button, and then the next, this is for reverse and also for delayed recording process. So how we can get we can get from the buttons is from layout design, and we just click the button and make whatever you want. And then for the next is the product form. It's also the same with the customer form. It consists of product name, supplier code, buying price, selling price, and unit. And we also have the button add, and then the next button, and the reverse, and also save button. And for the next is sale form. We have the customer code, customer name, and product code, product name, selling price, quantity, and total sale. And we also have the button in here, and the button are add, and then the next, reverse, and also the delete, and the last is staff form. Staff form is consists of number, staff ID, staff name, and birth of date, gender, marital status, phone number, address, email, work since, position, and also educational background of the staff. And here we also have the button. The button is add, reverse, next, and also for save the new recording process. And the also supplies form. It consists of the address, phone number, email, supplier type, and description. And we also have the button add, next, reverse, and also the junk button. It means the delete and also save recording process. So for the next one is gonna represented by the Safia Hafiz.
Okay, next is we have queries. We have 4 queries. The first one is queries of discount for golden membership. This show that customer who have a golden membership card will get a discount of 5% from total sale, and we get the total payment from the total sale deducted by this discount. The second one is queries of discount for platinum membership. Show that customer who have a platinum membership card will get a discount of 10% from total sale, and we get the total payment from the total sale deducted by discount too. And the next is queries of staff reward. These queries show the cashier who make the total sales transaction more than 1 million rupiah and get a reward of 5% from total sales. And the last one is queries of total stock. This show amount stock on hand in storage. The next material is present by Tika. Tika, time is yours.
Okay, this is a report. In the report, we can see all the data recorded in the table. The first is customer report. This report is for collect our customer data. In this report, we can see all the data of customer, such as customer code, customer name, birth of date, the type membership of customer, membership, and membership expire, and so on. Next. The second is product report. In this report is for collect our product data. In product report, we can see all the data of product that we have, such as product code, product name, types of products, supplier code, buying price, buying, selling, unit, and amount of stock. And the next Okay, the next is staff report. And the in this staff report is for collect our staff data. In the staff report, we can see all the data of staff, such as staff ID, staff name, birth of date, gender, and so on. Next. And the last is supplier report. In this report is for collect our supplier data. In the report is we can see all the data of our supplier, such as supplier name, supplier code, and the address of supplier, and so on.
Thank you, Tutika. And from this presentation, we can make a summary. Microsoft Access is a database management application that can be used to design, create, and process various types of data. As the most popular data processing application today, this application program is commonly used in business, education, offices, and even programmers. And based on the task of this project, we can conclude that by using Microsoft Access, it's easier to process data and makes our data more organized. The second one is by using Access makes our works more effective and efficient. And the third one is it's easy to integrate. As an example, when making relationship, we can just connect one table to another table just by pick the what we want and then put them on another table. And then the last but not least, with this project assignment, you can train cooperation, responsibility, patience, and how to manage time. And then there's our opinion. Our opinion is when using the access, we need to make sure that every data that we interest is correct. And we need to do our work in order so that everything will be correct. I think that's all from me and my team. I think that's all. Thank you very much. And we're sorry for our mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.